Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so today, I've kind of been lounging around the house, and I'm like, okay, girl, you have to get your ass up. Um, I gotta go get dog food. I gotta go put gas in my car. I'm hungry, so I do want to go eat. Let me go ahead and get ready, and I'll be back.
Ooh la la, she's spicy.
So this is the outfit of the day. Boom, 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 boom. I got these jeans and I paired them with the Jordan 11 lows along with this little top that I got from Hollister. The jacket, the bag. I think I look cute today. Okay, see y'all later.
Vroom vroom, off to Petco. Ooh, look at these driving skills. We're gonna go ahead and whip it. Yep, and put it in reverse. Yes, sir. Get out my way. Move, move. Come on. Pull it on out. Yep. And here we are. We pulled right in the front.
Okay, so I got everything that I needed from Petco. Right now, I think I'm gonna go eat because your girl is starving. Um, so let's go do that. I think I want some sushi. So I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, sorry, gotta let me go. So I think I am gonna go ahead and get me some sushi. I hate eating by myself. It's always so awkward, but your girl gotta do what she gotta do because we hungry. So I'll see y'all in a little bit at the restaurant, maybe.
Ooh, look how good these look. Ooh. I put a little bit of soy sauce, and then I will go ahead and put some of the, what is that? Wasabi. And then on this side I have roast sauce, which is just like a thicker sauce, and it's so good with the sushi. This one has shrimp, crab, and jalapeno with cream cheese on the inside, and then on top it has avocado and crab. Oh my god, these fried dumplings are so good in that sauce. Oh, the flavor, the vinegary. Oh, I love it. My fave. So if you have never went out to a restaurant and ate by yourself, I totally recommend that you do. It was like kind of life changing. I had never really been like to a restaurant rather than like fast food by myself. And I'm so glad that I came and brought y'all along with me because um, it actually was quite nice. It was kind of relaxing just in the daytime. No one was really there. And yeah, I totally recommend it. Ooh, this sushi though, it was a top, I would say a top 10 sushi roll. Me and David, we normally keep a list on our phones, on our in our notes of what sushis we have tried and which ones were the best. We rate them 1 through 10, and yeah. So before I got there, I was like, "Text me the sushi list," but he was working and was unable to respond, which is okay. So this roll I had never tried before, but it was so good. I love the cream cheese with the jalapeno. It was something like a California roll, but it was so good. Girl, yeah. Okay. Ooh, ooh, yes, good girl.
So glad I came. I was
Yes,
kind of nervous of bringing y'all along with me, but
I was.
huh, I ain't got nobody else. So y'all can be my road dogs. The flavor this thing's had, oh my god. And then like at the bottom of them, there's like some juice. I know you can't see, but oh my god, I love that juice. I can eat it like with a spoon by itself. It's so good. But then they put like real garlic on it. And if anyone knows me, like I love garlic. So that takes it like to a whole nother level.
end parts of these. And normally when I come with David, he'll eat like that part. So like I'm kind of missing him right now because he would normally eat the part that has like the tail. It's just too big and everything for me. So that's why I don't like eat it. I think I'm kind of full. Probably gonna pay for my ticket and leave. Okay, so we made it to Hobby Lobby. Look at all this cute stuff. I love this chair right here. But for $200, I don't know about that. And it feels a little wobbly. But it does look pretty cute. Look at these chairs. This is such a vibe. $227. Look how cute this chair is. Super cute.
Okay guys, so I am back. I was kind of stressed out. Well, I kind of am stressed out. I lost my microphone to my camera, and I searched everywhere in the store. I went back to the restaurant. I couldn't find it, so I'm a little upset. But I did want to go ahead and show y'all what I got for my little outing. So yeah, here we go. But I found these things. They had everything 40% off. And how cute are these like big windmills? I thought this would be so cute. Well, my brother, he passed away like here recently. So me and my mom, we always try to like find things or do things to decorate like his tombstone. I could probably show you some things that she has made. I'll probably insert them like, I don't know. But yeah, so she has made those, and then I wanted to make something like that because we are getting into spring. So just to have those kind of like out there blowing for my grandpa, my brother, and my uncle. All three of them are at the same spot. So we try to decorate. I wish I would have found a third one, but like I said, they only had like purple and pink, and I was like, I'm not gonna get those. But when I was leaving Hobby Lobby, the wind was blowing, and these were just blowing so beautifully in the beautifully. I don't know. They were just blowing so pretty in the wind, and yeah. So I'm really happy I got these. And then my mom made one of these saddle things for Valentine's Day, and I wanted to do one for March because in my phone I always had his name underneath a little 4-leaf clover. So I went, and this is only a few things. I want to go to Dollar Tree or maybe some other places and get some flowers. But just to start it off, I got these little 4-leaf clovers. So we're just going to go ahead and put these in the little saddle. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is a tombstone saddle. It kind of sets on top of the tombstone, and then these clamp down on the sides, kind of like in this picture. I want to try to find some green flowers. I'm not sure if I will because most flowers are like flower colors. But sometimes you'll find some like wacky, cool colored flowers. So I do want to go ahead and put some flowers in on this, and then just kind of put these on top. And who knows? Oh, and then I also did get this like ribbon. It's kind of like just ribbon, and it has little or these are 3-leaf clovers, but so I kind of wanted to after you put these down, sometimes this part shows, so I thought I would wrap around. I don't know. Oh, I made my ears squeak. I hate anything like squeaky, like to-go containers. Oh, I can't stand it. Okay, anyways, so yeah, maybe I'll come and I'll show y'all what everything would look like. And then, so I got this like little welcome clover little sign, and we have like these like little clips that we set on front of the tombstone, and my mom normally puts like a wreath or something, so I thought I would put this, and it just looks so cute. Maybe I'll show y'all in another video all that. If you're interested, let me know. I might just post it anyways because I really don't have anybody watching. But anyways, and then I got some dog food from Petco, and I got some little doggy treats for my little fur babies. But yeah, that's all I got. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and hit that like button. Yeah, and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a beautiful video. No, I'm just kidding. But yes, help a girl out. Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And yes, until next time, bye.